How to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this quick guide. So if this video was helpful, then please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So for this, you obviously need Shopify and also CJ Dropshipping. Now, I actually have a direct link in the description of this YouTube video, which will bring you over to this page. This will also help me out greatly if you click via that link. But yeah, here you have to sign in or register. And I actually am going to register real quick. So I'm going to click on there, and here you have to enter your email, password, and confirm it. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. So once you've filled all of this in, you simply want to click on next, enter a username and all of this. Then after that, hit confirm. And here you actually have to select which platform are you running your store on. So I'm going to select Shopify. How many orders do you need to process per day? So here you can, for example, let's say 0. I just start my business, and then here, what categories of products do you mainly market? For example, phones and accessories, and then simply hit submit and submit it successfully. And then you also have to verify your email. So simply click on there. Then you have to enter the verification code that got sent to your email. So we've now verified our CJ Dropshipping account. Now, you can actually need to go to My CJ. And if you click on there, you will go to your sort of like dashboard. And here you want to scroll a little bit down. And here you can actually see store authorization. So here you can actually see Shopify. Click on there. Then it says add store. So here you want to add your Shopify store. Then it says notes. And then by clicking authorize, you will be directed to the app page in Shopify where you should click add app. So click on authorize, and there you go. You will now be brought to the Shopify Dropshipping App Store. Simply click on add app, and here you have to choose an account. Select that, and just wait a bit. Here you have to install the app, of course. So click on there. This will bring you over back to CJ again. Here it says if this is your account, then first you have to confirm this. Click on authorize, and there you go. Authorization is a success. So now you can actually go back. Now, if you would like to have your first 3 months of Shopify for only $1 per month, then you can actually click on the link in the description of this video. This will bring you over to this page. As you can see, start for free, then enjoy $1 per month for 3 months. So you can actually try Shopify for free for 3 days. And then after that, you can actually have that $1 per month. This will also help me out greatly. So why not? Now, how can we actually connect products to our store then? Well, let's say you were to go to Computer and Office, and then I'll just go ahead and choose this product over here. And here we can actually have a couple of different options. So here if connect, click connect if a product already exists in your store, and then you can actually connect it to it. Here you can list it. So if the product isn't yet in your store, and then you can list it yourself. You can also request some photos from the sellers to see how the quality is and stuff like that. Here you have the shipping method. So there is a sort of like chart on everything. So this is the shipping fee, service fee, and then basically the total cost, and then delivery time. So these two is where you got to look out for. And then, for example, you can see that the CJ Packet Fast Ordinary is 4 to 9 days. Now it's actually $5.79 instead of $4.11. So it's like almost $2 more expensive, but it's actually way faster. So keep that in mind, and then go to list. So this is basically how this will look like. So first of all, you have to choose ship from China warehouse or the United States warehouse. Now, if you select China warehouse, and then here you can actually select that shipping method that I just showed here, 4 to 9 days. Or if you choose US warehouse, you can choose anything besides this. So keep that in mind. Then I'll just go ahead and choose that one. Then here you have to add it to the product type. So I'll just add it to electronics, collections, homepage is fine. Then vendor, add new. I'll just add, now then over here you can see the total drop shipping cost. So it's $775. So here you can actually select your price. Now it also says recommended listing price. You can click on there and it will do that for you. If you would like to change it to something else, for example, do something like this, then you can also choose that. So then click on list now. It says listing in progress. You may check the listing status on listing list of products can be managed in listed. So here you can actually see the status. It's currently pending. And after this is done, you will find it in your store. Here it says listing succeeded. Simply go to your Shopify store, refresh the products page, and here you can actually see it. So just like that, it is now right over here. And that's exactly what you want. So I hope this video helped you out. Please let me know in the comments, and then I will see you next time.